They have encroached our land. This is our land. It is not their land. They do not have any papers. तेंको papers काय ना दाखोवपाक की हे तेंची land. तिने already थिंगा काम काबार करून आता हिंगा येले. They are come this side. We do not want the double tracking. We do not want the coal. If we want an ambulance or anything coming out over here, it won't be possible if they put another track. And it is not just one track that they will going to lay. I have heard that it is going to be 4 tracks. So that means slow by slow they will encroach our land inside the property. This is also our property which we have already given, our ancestors have already given, and our papers are showing that our land is up to the railway track, the existing railway track which is there now. So the RVNL cannot tell us that it is not our land. The land that we are standing here today is our land. It is the land of the villagers of Welsong.
Sandra, you have been fighting this issue for a long time. Now with this action,
Yes.
do you see a ray of hope?
Yes, it is very much, I see a ray of hope over here, and I thank everybody who have gathered here for us from all over Goa. I thank each and everyone for coming and supporting us here. Thank you.
आमी एक उल्लो मारलो आमच्या गांवा लागून कित्याक ही जमीन आमी उबी आहा ती आज उबी आहा ती प्रायवेट लँड. Let it be known to the government and to the rest of India that the land with the area which we are standing today is still deemed government land as per the government records. The records that is still issued by the government revenue department and Mamladar to the government of Goa. So, and despite several attempts and even requests and attempts by the deputy collector, the last was in the month of June, which was minuted, despite the fact that the government attempted to obtain documents from the railways regarding pertaining to this particular stretch of land. The railways have failed to give even a single document to justify their claim what they are doing here. So this is utter disregard to the government of Goa's instructions. Totally illegal, unconstitutional, because as you see on my right hand side, the entire stretch of houses are there. It is not 20 or 25 houses. There are houses in the 3rd and 4th row as well. So those houses, they have no access. This is the only access to this village. The other side, further down 500 meters, is another row of houses. Those houses, if these people want to enter through their kitchen, this is not in गोंयकारपण. आमी दुसऱ्यागे कुजनांतल्यान भितर सोन आमगे सालां येवपा नाय. हे हांव गव्हर्मेंटाक सांगून दिता. आनी घरां बांदलेलीं much prior to 1890s. 1890s, this land was not even gifted. It was allowed for the west of India Portuguese railway to lay the tracks. Our ancestors were gracious enough to do this because that was the need of the hour. And in railway gaili kityaku, in railway gaili essential commodities from the port to Chandaralpa through Margaon. Not for this coal that is going in day in and day out. म्हाका लोकल्सान सांगचें कितल्यो हिंगा लोकल पॅसेंजर ट्रेन वयताली ते एक तेंपा MPT पोर्ट आहलो तो थिंगा 100,000 मायज लोक काम करतालो आज 300 लोक काम करता कोडश्या लागोन. सो वॉट इज दिस सो कॉल्ड डेव्हलपमेंट फॉर whom? आमचे बोलाक काबार, आमचे गांव काबार, आमचे सगळें काबार. हांव नोकोय आनी वाय government of Goa is bending backwards. We have been to Rail Bhavan and they were just smiling at us. They had nothing to say when we went there. They are saying, you please go to your government of Goa, they are doing it. This land doesn't belong to us. They themselves have told us. So it is the government of onus is on the government of Goa. Let's not blame the center. This is Goa's issue. The government of Goa must come here to the people and hear them out, because that is the only access that is there for them, and that the access has been denied. रातच्यान तांकां न्हिदो ना. आज आत म्हणटा CM म्हणटा घर मोडपा नाय म्हूण. अरे तुगे घरा सायडीन तुगे त्या एक 100 km/h गाडी वयत जाल्यार तुका न्हीद पडटली थिंगा राती. हांव गोंयकारां इचां तें जायत जाण म्हाका म्हणटा तें घर म्हणाय न्हू तूं कितें जाता तुगे घर आहा थिंगा. अरे इट इज नॉट अबाउट माय दिस, इट इज लव फॉर द लँड. All these people who have come from various constituencies across Goa, all 40 constituencies are represented. हांव सांगता त्या येयले गोंयचो मोग आहा म्हूण तेंगे भाट द्याक ना हिंगा सगळ्यांगे नाय. एक 10-20 जाणांची आसतली. रेस्ट ऑफ ऑल दीस पीपल हॅव कम प्युअरली अँड दीस फॉर द लव ऑफ गोवा, लव फॉर द लँड.
इन द 90s हांवें सो दीस हांगा स्ट्रायक केल्लें कित्याक हो डिवेलपमेंट जो करतात तो इल प्लॅन डिवेलपमेंट म्हणून, आनी तो डिवेलपमेंट न्हय, डिवेलपमेंट वेलसावन जाता तो वेलसावच्या लोकांच्या फायद्याक जावंक जाय. लोकांक लुकसाण करता, त्रास करता तसलो डिवेलपमेंट जायना. गोंयान डिवेलपमेंट करता तो गोंयकारांक डिवेलपमेंट जावंक जाय. न्हय हांगा तावन कोल व्हरून कर्नाटकाक. हांव आदीं सांगलां तेच सांगता, हो डिवेलपमेंट आमकां गोंयकारांक न्हय म्हणटूच आमच्या गोंयांत नाका. आनी लोकांक मोटरेबल रोड आसूंकूच जाय आनी हे सरकारान पळोवंक जाय. आयज सरकार गोंयचो न्हिदला तर तुमी लोकांनी ह्या सरकार निवडून काडलो तो बारीक चिंतात. आयज कितलीं वर्सां जालीं हो सरकार आमकां चलयता, कितें गोंयच्या पासत केलां. आमचे गोंयच्यो जमिन्यो काबार, दोंगर काबार, लो लँड्स काबार, शेतां काबार. तर ह्या सरकाराक तुमी आनीक चान्स दिवपाक जाता, बारीक चिंतात. आमचें पाड घातलां गोंय, उरोंकूच ना आमकां कितें. म्हणटूच आय हॅव कम हियर, दो माय हेल्थ इज नॉट ओके, टू सपोर्ट द पीपल ऑफ वेलसाव. थँक्यू.
हे धुमाळो सोंसपी आमचे भावा भयणांचे हे ताळे अजून गव्हर्मेंटाक आयकूंक येना काय म्हणून विचारपाक आयल्या. इतले सोबीत निसर्गान संपूर्ण भरलेलें गोंय हे उद्ध्वस्त कोन्न, हे निसंटन कोन्न तुमी कोणाच्या फायद्याक ही रेल्वे हो कोळसो कोणाक खावयतात. इतले सायंटिफीक प्रूफ्स आसात that it is bad for everybody within 4.5 kilometers of the railway track also, not necessarily who are staying right next to the track. But our government has lost or has no mind, no proper planning, no scientific application. तांकां फक्त करप्शनाची गोडी लागल्या. हो वीस आमी मोडूंक जाय. And Mr. Pramod Sawant, you are not my chief minister. If you don't know how to protect your people, we don't know how to call you our chief minister. You need to come down to the ground and see the reality for yourself. तुम्ही सगळ्या पावतात मिनती भितर आणि आमकां मागीर तुम्ही इंटिमिडेट करतात. Taxpayers' money is used to intimidate the very taxpayer who is supporting all these things. How is the government run? कित्याचेर चलयता तुम्ही शासन? भिके कोयतात. आमकां हे मातूय सारकें दिसना आणि हे गोंडेचो आणि हे एक्विजिशन बेकायदेशीर आहा आणि हांचो खर निषेध आमी सगळे करतात. आमी निंदा करतात ह्या शासनाची. कित्याक तुमकां कितले पडला गोंयकाराचेर हे तुमी दाखयतात, तरी तुमी आमी मोयपासान आणि डायलॉग करून तुमचे कडेन मागता आणि तुमकां जायना जाल्यार तुमी राजिनामो दियात आणि घरा वचात.
मिसेस अलिना साल्दांगा आणि हांव तुमकां सगळ्यांक उगडास करूंक सोदतां की ही पयली फावट आमी हिंगा ही मिटींग करूंक ना. आमी ट्रॅक्साचेर जायत्या फावटी आयलां. लेट स पर्रीकार ताका आमी हाडलो. प्रमोद सावंत प्रेझेंट चीफ मिनिस्टर ताका आमी हाडलो. काब्राल ताका आमी हाडलो. सगळ्यांक तेमच्यांनी सगळ्यांनी पळयलां घरां लोकांची खूंय आसा ती आनी ट्रॅक खूंय येवपाची आसा ती. आनी खरेंच यू कूड टेल ऑन देयर फेसीस दे वर शॉक्ड. बट फॉर वॉटेवर रिजन्स तेमच्यांनी कांय करूंक ना. पूण हांव सगळ्यांक उगडास करूंक सोदतां. पर्रीकार सरान in fact even after his death there was a video that went viral where Parrikar saran सांगले हांव कशे भाशेन सेकंड ट्रॅक हाडचो ना. आनी कित्याक सांगला तेणें हाडचो ना म्हूण? कित्याक भाव भयणीनो आमी जाणा हे सेकंड ट्रॅक येयल्यार निसंटोन आसतले. आमचे घरांचे निसंटोन, आमचे साउदीचे निसंटोन. बिकॉज बेसिकली हे सेकंड ट्रॅक इज टू ट्रान्सपोर्ट कोल. आता हो कोल हिंगासून खूंय व्हरतात. मोस्ट ऑफ द कोल इज गोईंग टू कर्नाटका. आता हांव एकूच विचारूंक सोदतां, पयले सुवातेर गोंयांत कितले पोर्ट्स आसा? एकूच पोर्ट आमचो. कर्नाटका कितले पोर्ट्स आसा? 9 पोर्ट्स आसा. आनी हो कोळसो जे आतां आमी गोंयांतसून व्हरोंक सोदता खूंय पावपाचो तो कर्नाटका. डायरेक्टली कित्याक व्हरना? Why isn't the coal transported from the wherever it lands to Karnataka directly, because it is supposed to land in Karnataka for whatever purpose they are going to use the coal. This is because they are showing a careless attitude for the people of Goa. And I request the government to wake up. It's time you took a stand. People elect you to work for them, to make sure that life is healthy for them. Because coal, as said just now, is going to kill us. Slowly but definitely, coal is going to kill us. So why are we electing the government? Isn't the elections held to ensure that we select people, okay? Because we want the government selected to work for us. So what is the government stand? Can Goa, the tiniest state, सगळ्याहून धाकटुलो state आमचो गोंय जावन आसा, आनी ह्या गोंयांतसून तुमी एक ट्रॅक आसा हिंगा, अनेक ट्रॅकवर घालूंक सोदता, घरांचे पाड घालूंक सोदता, लोकांचे सावदीचे पाड घालूंक सोदता. What is wrong? Why is this total neglect for Goa? Goa is the tiniest state. आता हो कोसो कर्नाटका व्हरपाक, okay? Karnataka is how many times bigger than Goa? Karnataka is, I think if I'm not mistaken, about 70 times bigger than Goa. 70 times or more bigger than Goa. कर्नाटकान कितले पोर्ट्स आसा? आमकां एकूच पोर्ट आसा. कर्नाटकान कितले पोर्ट्स आसा? 9 पोर्ट्स आसा. एक फूंय त्या पोर्टार तुमी पावयात तुमचो पोवसो आनी मागीर फूंय व्हरोंक जाय ते तुमचे स्टेटीन व्हरात. गोंयांत कित्याक काडटा? गोंयचे पाड कित्याक घालतात? लोकांचे जिवीत कित्याक काबार करूंक सोदतात? हांव मागतां लोक गव्हर्मेंट निवडून हाडटा गोंय खातीर वावुरपाक, लोकांचें जिवीत सुदरपाक. हांव मागतां गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन, डू जस्टीस, fulfill your promises to the people of Goa and make sure that this track, the double track, South Western Railway double track passing through Goa is cancelled.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social media platforms for the latest updates and content.